In this video, I am going to show you how to manually accept payments on Apple Cash if someone sent them to you. Firstly, we need to change the payment settings. Go to the Apple Cash application, then head to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, then Apple Cash. You can do this from the settings of your iPhone. So, next, tap Manually Accept Payments under the Accepting Payments section. When someone sends you money, you must manually accept it within 7 days. And that's how you accept money on Apple Pay manually. Or you can just turn on the option to accept money automatically, which means whenever someone sends you money, it will be in your account automatically without having to accepting it manually. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.